We live in a world obsessed with food. Eat 6 times a day. Don't skip meals, snack constantly. This is the conventional wisdom. But what if there's another way? A way that doesn't involve constantly eating. Intermittent fasting is gaining popularity. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. And it's not starvation, it's a strategic approach to eating. Could this simple change hold the key to better health, especially for those managing diabetes? Let's explore this fascinating approach to eating. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a medical professional before changing your dietary regimen. Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by high blood sugar levels. Traditional management focuses on medication and diet. But what if there's another tool? Scientific evidence suggests that intermittent fasting can be beneficial for diabetes management. Studies show that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body uses insulin more effectively, leading to better blood sugar control. Other studies show that intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, a crucial factor in diabetes management. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of diabetes complications. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Start slowly. There are various methods, but the 16/8 method is a popular choice. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you could finish dinner at 8 p.m. and then skip breakfast the next day, breaking your fast at noon. During the fasting period, you can drink water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort or adverse effects, stop and consult your doctor. It's crucial to remember that intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone.